Question number 35 of IIT JAM 2025 MS paper. The question is, as we have a joint probability density function of x and y as this for some constant c, and there can be more than one correct option. We have to find the value of c firstly. So we know the property of a joint probability density function or a probability density function. If we integrate it over the whole range, we get as 1. तो इंटीग्रेट करते हैं और देखते हैं कि क्या आता है. If we integrate this, we have to integrate double since we have joint probability density function of x and y. So this is from 0 to 1, this is from 0 to 1, x and y. Cx plus y, that is fxy, integrating over the whole range, will get as 1, that is cx square by 2 plus y square by 2. 0 to 1 will get 1, say that is c is equal to 1. That means option number A is correct. We have to find the correct option. Now, in order to find whether x and y are independent, we have to check if the joint density function of x and y is equal to the marginal of x and marginal of y. So in order to find the marginal of x, we have to integrate the joint density function with respect to y. The range is basically from 0 to 1, that is c is 1, x plus y dy 0 to 1, that is x y plus y square by 2. From 0 to 1 we get x plus half. Similarly, since both are kind of symmetric, so for y we get the same by replacing x by y, that is this. The joint density function is basically x plus y, which is not equal to x plus half and x minus half. That is not equal to fx into fy. That means B is wrong. तो ये तो गलत है. अब probability density function of x, वो तो अभी हमने निकाला, that is ये है. तो इसका मतलब ये तो गलत ही है. अब हमें probability density function x plus y का निकालना है. Take x plus y as something t and x minus y as something u, and after adding we get t plus u, that is x is equal to t plus u by 2. Similarly y as t minus u by 2. We have to find the Jacobian, that is dxy by d tu, which is nothing but half minus half, that is half. Now the density function of this t is basically after integrating the joint density function of t and u with respect to u. तो अब ये joint density function हमें t और u का निकालना है. ये कहाँ से मिलेगा? फ्रॉम दिस. तो अब मुझे निकालना है एफ टी यू. ये क्या होगा? इन रिप्लेस दैट एक्स एंड वाई. एक्स के जगह पे हम लोग लिख देंगे टी, जो कि हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? टी प्लस यू इंटू हाफ. अब इसको इंटीग्रेट कर देते हैं विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू यू, ताकि हमें ये टी का मिल जाए. विल गेट टी प्लस यू इंटू हाफ एस. अब u की रेंज क्या है? तो u इज़ बेसिकली वॉट? u इज़ बेसिकली x माइनस वाई, दैट इज you will take minus 2 to 0 something. Will get 2t plus u square by 2, that is 4 by 2 into half, that is t plus half. And for t, if we integrate it over the range, we'll get t square by 2 plus 1, that is t 0 to 2, that is 4 by 2 2, that will be after integrating. I am making some kind of mistake, I guess. in the range. So this is actually correct.